Good evening, Puan Haizam and my fellow friends. Today, I, Logisari Jonison, Mishani, and Nur Farhad will be presenting PBT3 with our use especially for her online business. Sofia acquire information on mobile operating system for smartphone to meet sales manager kedai telephone saya sendiri Berhad to get information on our problems. Due to that, you as a sales manager have to develop an animation or video for Android and iOS environment based on operating system she would like to prefer and use for. I'll be presenting that other browsers are available in Android. Any Google app can be set as default. Ad blocking is supported with Firefox. Be set as default, but they all use it. But not all Android phone manufacturers equip their whereby in iOS, Apple batteries are generally not as big as larger iPhones. Thank you. Next, I pass to Giovanni.
Thank you. Today I'm going to talk about identify the home screen items in Android and iOS. So first of all, you give for Android. So Android, as usual, we see as a home screen. So it contain the apps and like a desktop screen, and it's also well organized to use. In Android, most of the time we use home button to access the screen, but nowadays we are just using a fingerprint. So multiple home screen is we just move left to right to search our most used app in phone, or we just go for slide down for search more apps in our phones. So it's basically contain the most or common used apps in our phones. So third is favorite tree. Favorite tree is a frequently used app such as message, camera, Chrome, and gallery. So this favorite tree system is already provided by phone system. We automatically can change the apps, but not the display. So number 4 is Google search bar. Google search bar is formally we can see in Android system. So it stands in many devices, and we have to access and folder shortcut. App shortcut is an app that we mostly see in our phones, and folder shortcut is a folder that contains a few apps that we can change for our easy self. So first of all, icon to launch that apps, and we also can customize the home screen, include many or few apps icon, social media or Google apps. So that is for Android system, and now we can move for iOS system. Thank you. So as we see for the home screen for iPhone, this contain images like a organized to use. But the difference is home iOS we have to access with as nowadays we can use also in Android system. We can download from Play Store, or nowadays a few phones are already provided with easy touch. So second, go for multiple home screen. It's contain a most or common used app, and we just have to swipe left or right or go for down for the more apps in our iOS system. And the third thing is favorite way. So as usually frequently used app such as message, camera, Safari, and gallery. Go for number 4. So here we can say app shortcut and folder shortcut. It's icon that launch the apps and can example is a social media and Google Apps. Finally, Safari. Safari is only used in iOS system that it is same like a Google Chrome that we use in internet or Google system only. Thank you. That's all for me. I give from another TV.
And for this is for example, we start to the start menu and click on the window symbol. Basic tasks such as loading off, moisturizing, rebooting, or shutting down the computer are available from there. By going in the central block of the start menu in the system, the most frequently used programs are usually used as well. Spacebar, the spacebar. It's one the feature of the Windows desktop that lets you search directly. If you are looking for an application that is easy touch view, the search button is located on the left side of the search board. Tasks are viewed by list all of the tasks that are now active. You also have access to a history of previously complete tasks. The start menu are now active. You also have access to history of previous taskbar currently from which you can close the program or pin it to the taskbar. This allows icons. Icons are important aspect of the Office tools. They provide access to system files and programs. For a more productive workplace layout, it is critical to have a decent organization. Move apps and widgets on the home screen on iPhone. You can change the layout of your home screen page and more. If you can move all your apps and widgets in the focus, for example, onto the home screen page and make the page accessible during the focus. Move apps and widgets around on your iPhone. 1. Touch and hold any app or widget on the home screen, then tap Edit Home Screen. 2. Location on the same page, another home screen page. When you are finished, press the home button on the iPhone with a home button or tap Done on other iPhone model. Move app on Android. Step 1. Open your Android home screen. Unlock your phone or tablet with security code or press your Android phone button to get to the home screen. If your phone or tablet allows customizing the order of apps on the app menu, you can set the icon and use the same method to move icons here. Step 2. Tap and hold the app icon you want to move. Find the app you want to move on your home screen and long press on its edge of your screen. Step 4. Release your finger to save the app's new location. When you find a new spot for the selected app icon, release your finger to save it. Step 5. Drag the app icon onto another app to create a folder. This will create a new folder on your home screen and load the all. When you create a folder, you can drag and remove and add more apps into it. Create folder to which app will be added and removed. Quick. For example, if you put all of your email apps in one folder, call the folder email. Removing apps from folders. At the bottom of the box, you see the Add App option. Press it, then tick the app or app you want to include in your folder. Once you have made your pick for every app you want to move, just now press it, then drag and drop into the folder of your choice. Lastly, to remove app from folder, open the folder where the app is. Now press the app you want to enter a new name. 5. If the app begins to jiggle, tap the home screen background and try again. 6. When you are finished, tap Done. Then tap the home screen background twice. To delete a folder, tap the folder to open it, then drag all the apps out it. The folder is automatically deleted. Not organizing your apps on the home screen doesn't affect the organization of apps in the land page. Move an app from a folder. You can move an app from a folder to the home screen to make it easier to locate and open. One, go to the home screen page with the folder that contains the app. Then tap the folder to open it. Second, touch and hold the app until the app begins to jiggle. Third, drag the app from the folder to home screen. Create folder for Android. How to create a folder in Android. Creating a home screen to pick at least 2 apps and put them together. Both these apps then get grouped. The home screen panel where the apps you want to put into a folder are located. To drag the first app and drop in on top of another, and this will create a folder with those apps inside. 3. Tap the folder to view the app in it. How to remove an app from a folder in Android. 1. Tap the folder so you can see all the apps in it. Drag the app you want to remove from the folder and drop it outside of the folder on your home screen. The app is now removed from the folder, but the shortcut will be seen on your home screen. 3. Another way to do this is to tap and hold on the app you want to remove and select remove the menu. This will remove the icon from your folder, but won't place it on the home screen either. Now your apps continue to exist on your device. You can find them again in your app drawer. Usually accessed by uninstall apps on Android. Tap and hold the icon of the app you want to remove. The pop-up menu will then appear. You will see that there's a remove option here. Tap it, then confirm your choice in the following pop-up. Your off button below the app name and icon. Hit the center uninstall button. Uninstall apps on iPhone. Tap and hold the required app until the icon starts to flicker. When you use the method, all app settings and data are deleted from the phone memory. And then tap the delete icon. When you use this method, tap delete. When you use this method, all app settings and data delete from the phone memory. Slide your finger upward, starting from the bottom of the screen to return to tap setting. When you use this method, all app settings and data are saved in the phone memory and installed when you install the app from App Store on your mobile screen.
I want to explain about the best mobile operating system. Suggest the best mobile operating system based on your opinion. iOS and Android. The iOS pros better app icon organization. For Android, pros improve security and app privacy option. For iOS, app clips or no install mini apps. For Android, messaging improvements. For iOS, lets you choose the default browser and mail app. For Android, can use screen recording. For iPhone, for iOS, the iPhone camera is best in world. For Android, many hardware choices for Android. Many hardware can use for Android. For iPhone, such a fantastic icon combined with other phone. For Android, the internet is 5G support. Knows iOS, few languages in translate app. And for Android, knows most current Android phone won't get it. For iPhone, many feathers require more Apple products for subscriptions. For Android, some complexity and inconsistency remain compared with iOS. This is about Android and iOS. How to if we choose iOS. iOS 40 was the first major interface update to Apple's mobile OS in years, and 40.58 new product and service tie-ins, including of Fitness Plus and ATEX. For iOS best phone in ever, camera, icon, apps, and others, and some interest using the iPhone. This information in iPhone. If you use for Android 11 isn't still change for the leading mobile OS, but the update does bring several welcome convenience or as long as your device can run it. For Android, battery can use for many hours. This is the if you choose iPhone or Android in Android and in iPhone. That's all. Thank you.